What is up, everyone? It is Jeff here. Today we are going to be playing Pink Tac-Toe. I bet you guys can do a familiar game with this, but I'm going to be playing it, and, oh boy. First we're going to start off easy, then medium, and all the way to difficult. So let's get started, shall we? And I'll turn this up all the way to 100. If you guys, I'm going to be quiet through the rest of this video. And at the end, yeah.
Hey! I've never seen you before. I'm Pinkie Pie. What's your name? What's your name?
This time, this gets annoying as hell. We're going to do just Jeff Killer, okay? Since we can't put the, and we can't put ear. So just Jeff. Oh my gosh.
I challenge you.
I challenge you to. Okay, guys, we're gonna start off with an easy one. Oh, look at the baby. Let's go.
Okie dokie dokie. I should have known. This will solve everything.
Hey, look, there's Gummy.
This will solve everything.
Everywhere I turn, I have ants on me today. The ants are my friends.
I am just about to be brilliant.
Annoying as
Game on. But it's
Rarity.
serious.
oh, she just took a big piss right there. And I just took her a little bit out. And I just took that little bit out.
Pinky seems mad.
I knew it.
Pinky seems mad. Let's go
Nope.
here.
Hi, Pinkie Pie.
There's Rainbow Dash.
Aha! I knew it.
But they're also creepypastas too.
Terrible.
Oh boy, what happened? Oh no, it's Pinkamena. Oh no. Pinkamena's alive
This may
again.
look like fun, but it's not.
That's a no-no.
Don't glare at me.
Oh no.
So no one wins. Okay. Okay, so Pinky's going first.
Oh no. You can't break the rules.
I'm not breaking the rules.
Mom, with ya.
What's wrong, Pinky?
43,
Not
Ma.
happy?
This may look like fun, but it's not. Well, that's not very nice.
I'm never nice. I'm joking, guys. But Jeff isn't actually a nice person. He's a killer, of course.
Honey, I didn't have enough for the shoe back. I didn't have enough for the shoe back.
Don't you glare at me. No. I'm not gonna quit it.
You better quit!
I'm never gonna quit it, Pinky.
Got about as much hold as you.
Never.
You're up to something.
Yes, I am. But you won't figure it
I don't know
out.
how it goes, all right. What are
Nope.
you laughing
Laughing at you. Oh no. The fuck? What'd she do? No cupcake flavor coming soon. She's turning me into a cupcake? What the fuck? Okay, well, let's, do normal? Alright, we're gonna do normal then. Pinky is gonna turn me into a cupcake.
Check it out!
How about no?
No hard feelings.
Okay, well, that's good news, I guess. Okay. Really, Pinky? Don't sneeze on me. Hello, Gummy. Pinkie Pie. Stop sneezing on me.
This will solve everything.
It seems like it, huh? We gotta draw.
Isn't this exciting?
No. Don't you give me those eyes.
Check it out!
Goody, I am checking it out.
Isn't this exciting?
No.
Well, duh. This will solve everything.
Pinky is getting smarter at the end. Well, I guess now.
I'm intrigued.
You're intrigued. No.
Okie dokie dokie.
No.
Choices, choices, choices.
No.
Well, duh.
Pinkie Pie, just let me win for once. See if I can beat you at this. Oh, check it.
This will solve everything.
Pinky's getting smart by each day.
Let's do it again.
Okay, so it's another draw. Take this side. Take the middle. Well, it seems like she's having fun. Okay, well, where she's going? Can't go in the middle.
Well, duh.
Don't sneeze on me.
This will solve everything.
Well, it looks like normal's hard than usual. Don't you roll your eyes at me. Pinky, knock it off.
Check it out.
Face. How about no? Those eyes, I swear.
This will
Okay.
solve everything.
Pinky 1.
Were you surprised? Were you?
I did not see that.
Choices. Check it out. Check it out. This will solve everything. I mean, really, who can top that?
Should have seen it.
This will solve everything. Okie dokie dokie. Check it out. Let's do it again. Well, duh.
Okay, everyone. Well, that's what I have today. I'm gonna be making more few videos,
This will solve
so
everything.
I hope you all enjoyed this video.
Isn't this exciting?
And I'll find a way to beat this.
Choices.
I'll do part 2 next. So I'll see you all later. Please stamp that like button and please subscribe. I'll see you all later. See you later, killers.